tomato grow with pride. Ivy gourd climbs up so high, reaching up into the sky. Brinjal sways in purple hue, drumsticks hanging long and true. All the plants stand side by side, nature's joy we cannot hide. Near the garden, small and sweet, is a house where love's complete. Husband, wife with smiling face, tend their plants with gentle grace. One bright and sunny day, parrots came and flew our way. Red and green they chirp with cheer. Ooh, look what we have here. Ate the chili, took tomato, nibble nibble ivy gourd also. Brinjal bounced and drumsticks flew. What a noisy pecking crew. The couple laughed, oh what a mess. Let's grow more and not feel less. They sang a tune and danced with glee, happy as can ever be. Grow with love and share with all, big or little, short or tall. Even if the parrots play, we'll garden more every day. Jerish.